Alfa Romeo, one of the most iconic car brands in the world. If you've ever dreamed of owning one, you've probably heard all kinds of opinions. Some say they're unreliable, while others swear by their performance and charm. But what's the truth? Are they worth the investment? Based on my personal experience, I'll break down everything you need to know about owning an Alfa Romeo. From the best models to the major pitfalls, this is your ultimate guide. Top Alfa Romeo models to consider. If you're in the market for an Alfa Romeo, these are some of the best options to look at. Alfa 159, a solid choice with great design and engineering. Alfa 156, one of the best classic models, offering both style and reliability. Alfa 4C, a stunning sports car for those who want performance and uniqueness. Giulia, a modern Alfa with German-level build quality and thrilling driving dynamics. Stelvio, a high-performance SUV that brings Italian flair to the segment. The newer the Alfa, the better the engineering. If you're looking for the best balance of reliability and fun, the last-generation Alfa 156 or the Alfa 159 are excellent choices. Newer models have also improved significantly. The reliability factor. One of the biggest concerns about Alfa Romeos is reliability. The real turning point came in 2006. After this year, Alfa Romeo improved its build quality and electronics to near German levels. While small issues may arise, they're rarely catastrophic. Regular servicing will keep these cars running smoothly. Engineering and maintenance. Contrary to popular belief, modern Alfa Romeos are not overly complex to maintain. If you're comfortable with standard tools like sockets, spanners, and Allen keys, basic maintenance isn't too challenging. Here's what you need to know. Routine maintenance. Oil changes, brake pad replacements, and fluid top-ups are straightforward. Common issues. Some minor quirks exist, such as sensitive brake light circuits and occasional fuel gauge errors. However, these can be easily managed. Cooling system maintenance. Using K-Seal treatment annually helps prevent head gasket damage. Oil additives. Using MBL8 molybdenum copper additive every third oil change keeps the engine running smoothly. Major pitfalls to avoid. 1. Never buy an Alfa with Celespeed transmission. This is the single most important rule. The Celespeed automated manual transmission is notorious for its high failure rate and insanely expensive repairs. Even though it's based on Ferrari's system, it doesn't hold up well in an Alfa. If you're buying an Alfa, get a manual transmission. It's the best way to enjoy the driving experience and avoid costly issues. 2. Owning an Alfa requires care and attention. Unlike a Toyota or Honda, an Alfa Romeo demands regular checkups. Owning one means checking the oil and coolant levels frequently, inspecting for minor issues and addressing them early, cleaning and maintaining it regularly to keep it in top shape. If you're willing to stay on top of maintenance, an Alfa Romeo can be surprisingly affordable and reliable. Thanks to online communities, you can always find guidance and solutions for any problems. 3rd, timing belt changes on V6 models. One of the most crucial maintenance tasks for V6 Alfa Romeos is the cam belt replacement. This needs to be done every 100,000 kilometers, but it's a necessary investment to keep the engine running properly. In New Zealand, this costs around $1,200, but you can often find better deals. If you're looking for a lower maintenance option, the Alfa 159 2.2-liter engine is a great choice. It has a cam chain instead of a cam bolt, meaning less frequent servicing, usually every 250,000 kilometers. Why Alfa Romeos are special. To truly appreciate Alfa Romeo, you need to understand its heritage. The brand is a contemporary of Mercedes-Benz, Ferrari, Bentley, and Rolls-Royce. However, unlike these luxury brands, Alfa Romeo offers affordable high-performance cars. The Mito and Giulietta provide a luxury experience at a reasonable price. The Giulia Quadrifoglio is essentially a Ferrari-powered sports sedan. The Stelvio SUV, while not my personal favorite, competes with high-end European SUVs. Alfa Romeos are also rare. Most models are not mass-produced, making them unique compared to mainstream cars. They offer luxury, style, and performance at a fraction of the cost of their German counterparts. So, is owning an Alfa Romeo worth it? Absolutely, if you know what you're getting into. If you're passionate about cars and willing to put in a little effort, an Alfa Romeo can be one of the most rewarding vehicles to own. If you found this video informative, then don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in our next video.
Skoda has built a reputation for creating reliable, spacious, and affordable vehicles, but which ones are the best of the best? Today, we're diving into the top 10 Skoda cars ever made, exploring what makes each model unique and why they've earned their spots on this list. Number 10. Skoda Citigo e-i-fi. Kicking off our list is the Citigo e-i-fi, Skoda's first fully electric car. Powered by a 61-kilowatt electric motor, it can charge from 0 to 80% in just 1 hour using a 7-kilowatt power wall. Despite some criticism for its cheap build materials, the Citigo e-i-fi stood out with its affordable price tag of around $20,000. It offered generous interior space and nimble handling, making it a perfect choice for city driving. Number 9. Skoda Superb. Launched in 2001, the Skoda Superb is a spacious family car that has evolved through 3 generations. The current model, introduced in 2015, uses the MQB platform, making it light yet impressively stable on the road. With a vast interior and a trunk that can handle plenty of luggage, it's an excellent choice for families. A fun detail is the Rolls-Royce-inspired umbrella compartment hidden in the front door, adding a touch of luxury to this practical vehicle. Number 8. Skoda Yeti. The Skoda Yeti, a crossover SUV, combines elements from the Octavia and Fabia Scout models. Its boxy design might be polarizing, but it's undeniably practical, offering agile performance and SUV styling without the bulk of a traditional 4x4. Perfect for drivers seeking a versatile vehicle with a unique look, the Yeti has a character all its own. Number 7. Skoda Karoq. Introduced in 2017, the Skoda Karoq is a mid-size crossover SUV that emphasizes quality and space. Sharing its MLB platform with luxury models like the Porsche Macan, the Karoq features upscale materials, advanced technology, and multiple engine options. Its flexible seating allows for extra cargo space, making it a versatile choice for both business and leisure. Number 6. 2020 Skoda Octavia Estate. Known for its practicality, the 2020 Skoda Octavia Estate is a standout model that's affordable, easy to maintain, and available with a range of 5 fuel-efficient powertrains. Inside, the minimalist design and spacious layout make it a favorite among those who value function over flash. The modern touch-sensitive controls and responsive infotainment system add to its appeal. Number 5. Skoda Kodiaq. Designed for large families, the Skoda Kodiaq is a 7-seat SUV that has been popular since its debut in 2016. With 5 engine options and a balanced, smooth drive, the Kodiaq offers a solid blend of space, comfort, and reliability. The 2021 update brings back the sporty VRS version, adding more excitement to the lineup. Number 4. 2021 Skoda Octavia. The 2021 Octavia leads the 4th generation of this beloved nameplate, aiming to challenge the class-leading VW Golf. With more cargo space and a sleek, modern interior, the Octavia offers a fresh alternative to its Volkswagen cousin. It features a customizable 10.25-inch digital cockpit and Skoda's digital assistant, Laura, for a tech-savvy driving experience. Number 3. Skoda Enyaq iV. Launched in 2020, the Enyaq iV is Skoda's take on the VW ID.4, featuring the same tech and powertrains. Available in 2 trims with either 62 kilowatt-hours or 82 kilowatt-hours batteries, the Enyaq iV stands out with its modern design, spacious interior, and affordability. The large 13-inch infotainment screen and easy-to-use controls make it a strong contender in the EV market. Number 2. Skoda Fabia. Since its debut in 1999, the Skoda Fabia has become a symbol of Skoda's success in Europe, selling over 4.5 million units. Now in its fourth generation, the Fabia combines style and practicality, featuring hidden surprises like an umbrella in the driver's door and an ice scraper in the fuel filler lid. With thoughtful touches like a rearview mirror USB charger and a heated steering wheel, the Fabia continues to impress. Number 1. Skoda Superb Estate. Topping our list is the Skoda Superb Estate, known for its incredible practicality. This spacious vehicle can comfortably seat 5 adults with plenty of room left for cargo. The premium interior, combined with a smooth, refined ride, makes the Superb Estate Skoda's best model yet. While it lacks an electric variant, its efficient engines and thoughtful design keep it at the top of the list. There you have it, the top 10 Skoda cars ever made. From the innovative Citigo EIV to the versatile Superb Estate, Skoda has consistently delivered vehicles that combine practicality, style, and value. If you enjoyed this list, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest content. See you in the next one.